You want to open your prize?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me cut it. There's your cards. We'll open those in a minute.
Wait, I'll open them.
Okay. Bring it over here.
Wow! Whoa!
Here, help with the other one.
Whoa!
It says, I love you. That's for Logan. This one's for Spencer. What's it say?
I love you crazy.
I love you crazy. Open the other side. Other side. Awesome. Okay, let's look in the box.
Mama, now it's this.
What's in here? What's in here? Come check the box. That's brother's card. Give it to brother.
Mama, I want to open it.
Okay.
I love you very much. Oh, it's so beautiful.
It is. What's this? What's that?
It's a mobile. The train.
It's games.
Games.
Look what's in here. That's just paper. Open it up. Open it up and let me see it. Uh-oh, careful. What's that?
It's a movie.
It's a game. What do you think? Look in here and say, thank you, Tabby and kids.
Thank you, Tabby and kids.
Blow them a kiss.
How does this work, Mom?
I don't know. I'll help you figure it out in 1 minute. Say, I really appreciate it.
Here's another one.
You found 2? Well, I think one's for you and one's for Brad. What do you think? Show me. Careful, careful.
There's another one.
Wow, they're matching.
Look, Mama.
One for you and one for Brad?
Mama, which one is red? Oh,
I don't know.
This one.
I don't know. Logan.
This one. For you, one.
Thank you, Spencer.
And this for me.
Okay, blow one more kiss. Say bye. Thanks again, Tabby.
Thanks again, Tabby. Tabby.